Another mayor in the province of Cebu has been infected by the coronavirus. Tuburan Mayor Danilo Diamante tested positive for COVID-19. Diamante said he felt unwell, so he had himself tested and started self-isolation on August 11. The mayor also ordered the disinfection of the entire municipal hall and suspended the operations of his office. Diamante is the fourth Cebu mayor who tested positive for the virus. The first was Mayor Junard Chan of Lapu-Lapu City, followed by Mayor Son Shimura of Bantayan and Mayor Marlon Garcia of Baliri.
Thank you for watching Politiko TV. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more videos.